Can your dog play air hockey? Our dogs can, and so can you.
You score!
With the All Dogs Go to Heaven Activity Center, new on CD-ROM. Outwit real flea brains in Itchy's Flea Game.
You won a medal.
Make a mutt that'll have you and your friends howling.
Can you find this stuff for me?
Enter Carface's messy garage and find the hidden objects. Step inside Sasha's gallery and get artistic. Chow time is a challenge when you play Charlie's Bone Munch game. With over a dozen interactive all-dog activities featuring the canine characters from the film and TV series. There's movies, cartoons, riddles,
What do you call a vampire dog?
and more.
Click on a color.
It's endlessly entertaining.
All right.
The All Dogs Go to Heaven Activity Center, new on CD-ROM from MGM Family Entertainment. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall,
Wow!
and only you can get him back on that wall in this all-new interactive CD-ROM.
Oh, I'm as good as new.
Discover the world of Toyland with the enchanting Babes in Toyland CD-ROM adventure. And explore.
What's that kid climbing all over the house?
Find all the hidden toys.
You've got it.
Make your own toys in the Toy Factory.
Let's make a new toy.
Based on the animated family classic, Babes in Toyland is filled with games,
You'll have to find him.
songs, puzzles,
Help me gather my children.
and all your favorite nursery rhyme characters.
There's a toy up on the tower.
Introduce the newest member of our family to your family. The Babes in Toyland CD-ROM from MGM Family Entertainment.
When you rent or buy a video, you need to know that the film you choose is suitable for the audience at home. To help you understand what the film is like, you can look at the certificate it has been given. This film has been classified U. That means it can be seen by people of all ages, and there will be nothing unsuitable for children. Video certificates are there to give you the chance to make the right choice. Thanks for listening.
Toto? Did she hurt you? She tried to, didn't she? Come on, we'll go tell Uncle Henry and Auntie Em. Come on.